Hi friends, are you a lover of Akara or Moi Moi, but you find it very tasking peeling your beans? Follow this quick kitchen hack with me and let's peel our beans under 2 minutes. I soaked my beans into water for about 2 minutes and then I transferred into my blender and I went ahead to roll my beans for about 5 seconds and I'll stop and then I'll roll again and blender until slowly. Don't be afraid that the beans is going to break, it's going to the next thing you want to do with a moi moi is to have thoroughly blended beans. So it means that either ways your beans will still be blended. And the next thing you want to do is to transfer it into a bowl and then sieve off the water gradually and you'll have the beans peel coming off. You will then add a little bit more water to thoroughly wash the beans and then sieve or follow the whole process. And the next thing you're going to have is a well washed and clean beans. And this has saved you from following the traditional process of using your hand or a mortar and a pestle to peel your beans. Follow me for more kitchen hacks and thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and encourage me to do more. Thank you. Till we see next time. Bye.